Firewalls, security, and open-source power, two titans that have dominated for years, pfSense and OPNsense. Both promise enterprise-grade protection for free, but only one truly rules in 2026. Welcome to GigaBits, the channel where we test, compare, and break down the tech tools that claim to make your digital world faster and safer. If you love real, unbiased tech reviews, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this firewall face-off. I've spent the past week configuring both pfSense and OPNsense in real-world setups, from home lab routers to small business gateways. Both are open-source firewall and routing platforms based on FreeBSD. Both offer insane flexibility, and both have passionate user communities. But one focuses on stability and reliability, while the other pushes innovation and user experience. So which one truly earns its spot as the best free firewall in 2026? pfSense has long been the go-to for professionals, known for its rock-solid performance, deep customization, and enterprise-grade security tools. OPNsense, however, has been catching up fast, with a cleaner interface, regular updates, and an easier learning curve for new users. Both claim to deliver unmatched protection, but when you compare their performance, plugins, and usability, the differences become clear. Origins and community. pfSense was created by Netgate back in 2004, with a focus on stability and commercial support. OPNsense forked from pfSense in 2015, promising transparency, modern design, and community-driven development. That's where the rivalry began: innovation versus reliability. Interface and ease of use. pfSense still carries that traditional technical layout. It's incredibly powerful, but not exactly beginner-friendly. OPNsense modernized everything. Dashboards are responsive, navigation is intuitive, and updates are smoother. Features and security. pfSense includes enterprise-level tools like VPN, VLANs, IDS, IPS, and full routing control, perfect for sysadmins who want total configuration freedom. OPNsense matches most of these features, but adds a modular plugin system, making it easier to extend functionality without breaking anything. Performance and updates. In stress tests, both performed impressively. pfSense handled heavy loads with precision, while OPNsense felt more responsive thanks to its frequent updates and better UI optimization. However, pfSense remains more conservative with updates. It focuses on stability over bleeding-edge improvements. Community and support. pfSense has strong documentation and professional support through Netgate. OPNsense leans on its open community, meaning faster user-driven innovation, but sometimes inconsistent third-party plugins. So math bash, will pfSense beat OPNsense in 2026? If you're a network professional who values rock-solid stability, pfSense is still your best bet. But if you prefer modern design, frequent updates, and a smoother experience, OPNsense might just be the smarter choice this year. In short, pfSense is like a tank, powerful, proven, and reliable. OPNsense is like a Tesla, sleek, fast, and constantly improving. At the end of the day, both are incredible. It all depends on what you need: consistency or innovation. If this breakdown helped you decide, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits for more deep-dive tech comparisons every week. Drop a like if you appreciate honest reviews and comment below. Which one are you running right now, pfSense or OPNsense? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we decode the technology that powers your world.